How long will it take money to triple if it is invested at 5% compound monthly? And now, second part of the problem, we're going to look at a different formula, continuous compound, at an interest of 8.7%, and see what the difference is. I challenge you to do 5% compound continuously so you can compare apples with apples on this problem to see which will give you the best interest. But we're going to use, for the first one, A is equal P, parentheses 1 plus R over M to the MT power. So if we're tripling, we would have 3 times the principal. Interest rate is 0.05, and it's monthly, so that means 12 months in a year, 12T. So we're looking for T. If we isolate, move the P to the other side by dividing, we have 3 is equal to, and I'm going to go ahead and combine this and make 1.004166, and it goes on and on to the 12T. Now, to make that T a large T, we need to take the natural log. And by taking the natural log, that will also allow us opportunity to use the power rule. Remember, the power rule says that we now can take 12T and multiply it by the natural log. In order to eliminate a step, to isolate the T, we're going to go ahead and divide by 12 natural log of 0.00466 on both sides. Okay. Once we do that, notice all of this is going to cancel out, and we have T is equal to put that into the calculator. Okay, if we put that into the calculator, remember, I encourage you to go ahead and put that in parentheses. And what that does is separate the numerator from the denominator. So we find out that T takes 22.02 years to compounding monthly to triple the amount that we put in. Now let's look at compound continuously, which is a different formula. We'll begin the same way. We want to triple the current principal. This time the interest rate is 8.7, so that would be 0.087 T. Dividing by T, we have 3 is equal to E.087 T. Taking the natural log of both sides, we're going to use one of the properties of logarithms, and what it says is that natural log of e to a power will be that power. And we're going to divide by the 0.087 on both sides. So T is equal to 12.63 years. And I'm going to put the little wiggly sign instead of equal because that's an approximation. So it's going to take about 12.63 years at 8.7% compounded continuously for us to triple our money.